Every great melody starts with rhythm. Rhythm is the pattern of long and short notes in music. There is a consistent beat that flows alongside the rhythm, keeping everything in motion. Just like your heartbeat, it's what brings music to life. To understand different beats, you count them. At the start of a piece, you'll see numbers indicating how to do this. These numbers are called the time signature. Bar lines divide the music into measures, and the time signature tells you how many beats there are in a measure. The most common time signature is 4/4. This means there are 4 beats in a measure, which you can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These small numbers at the start of each line tell you which measure you're in, providing an easy way to navigate through the piece. Make sense?